Good afternoon, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com about 6:10 as we record this video update for you Tuesday evening. And with this heat and humidity around, widely scattered shower and thunderstorm activity, it's kind of pulsing up across eastern portions of the state, really from the city and points east this evening. Not going to last very long, but don't be surprised by a couple of very heavy downpours for about 5 to 10 minutes as these showers and thunderstorms continue to drift north before dissipating later on this evening. With all the moisture in the air, certainly not hard to get a quick downpour out of any of these showers or storms that develops. Longer term, the impacts of Gordon, which will come ashore later tonight, somewhere probably just to the west of the Alabama state line along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, as a strong tropical storm or minimal hurricane. The remnant moisture, I should say, will begin to impact the Ohio Valley, including central Indiana, over the upcoming weekend. Gordon looking rather healthy as a strong tropical storm this evening as it continues to spin across the north-central Gulf Coast. Again, expected to make landfall late tonight or very early Wednesday morning along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Let's look ahead, really focus in on the latter part of this week and the upcoming weekend, and a combination of ingredients between the remnant moisture of Gordon and an approaching cold front that will kind of just stall out across the Ohio Valley. A spell for unsettled times and really what continues to look like a washout of a weekend developing around here late Friday and on into the day Saturday and Sunday for that matter as well. I think greatest overall coverage of rain and intensity will come on Saturday. And don't be surprised if we have to contend with at least some localized flooding and excessive rainfall for parts of the region as these precipitable water values associated with the remnants of Gordon approach 2 inches at times as we move through the upcoming weekend. Model data in general, very much in agreement with the idea of a significant rain event. Again, most of this falls, what you're seeing here, most of this will fall from Friday evening through Sunday evening. You get the idea off of the GFS forecast model of a swath of 3 to 4 inches across the central portion of the state. And if we were to look at the European, it's not too, in too much of disagreement here with the GFS. A little bit more significant would suggest upwards potentially of 4 to 5 inches in spots across central portions of the state. Nonetheless, a good soaking is ahead, locally heavy rain, and at times rainfall may result in flooding concerns as we go through the upcoming weekend, and we'll certainly be here to keep you updated as this setup continues to evolve. Longer term, guys, in the 10 to 15 day range, no let up from the just the excessive warmth. This is a look at the latest European ensemble, and it has agreement as well and support from other ensemble and model data as well. So this extended summer will continue after what will be a cooler period associated with that rain over the upcoming weekend, primarily just because the daytime highs, overnight lows will remain above normal. It's just the daytime highs with all that rain and the moisture around will remain a few degrees below average as we move through the upcoming weekend. A brief cooler period in what is a continued overall long-term, very warm weather pattern. Guys, that'll do it for the evening update on NDWX.com. Make it a great Tuesday. We'll talk with you soon.